Today we will speak about the new update of DJI Mini 3, the latest one, and we'll go through the process of how you can install it also. That yesterday DJI have been pretty busy, so let's get into it. You first have to connect to your local network with the controller if you have the controller. Otherwise, if you are working with N1 controller with your phone is already connected, so it will immediately start the updating. So for connecting your DJI RC with a Wi-Fi, just simply press down the bar menu and then hold the Wi-Fi button for a few seconds, open your Wi-Fi and let's scan the network. Then use your code to connect to your home Wi-Fi and you are good to go. So you are connected to the Wi-Fi and you normally have to see this install button and the new firmware available. But in case you can't see that, just go to your live feed of the drone, head to the three dots on the top, then to the menu About and press the check for updates aircraft firmware. And then after that you will be able to see the update notification. And as the firmware update is going on, let's take a closer look to the new features that Mini 3 offer. Added support for 48 megapixel photo mode and added reset all settings and clear all data options. But I will dive more detailed in these settings in a future video. And for these updates to work, you have to update also your DJI Fly App version. And as I was trying to update also my DJI RC, I find out something really bad. Next day, morning update, and DJI indeed released a new firmware for the DJI RC. Users were complaining about some bugs on the DJI Fly app 1.9.8, so they immediately take it back. That's the reason that I couldn't find it yesterday to update, and they released a new firmware about the DJI RC 1.9.9. This is supposed to fix all the minor bugs that the previous one brought maybe, and also now I'll be able to test the new features for the DJI Mini 3. Also, with every update I recommend you to check again the auto return functions because may change, like mine now it's 100 meters, so you want to set again your preference. And also the maximum altitude flight, maximum distance. Just check all the settings that you had set before the update, that it stays the same after the update. So that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider to leave a like and subscribe to my channel down below because more tutorials for drones and reviews coming soon. I will see you in the next one. Bye!